Pocket, I will protect you, Pocket. I promise.
But why are you protecting me?
Because you need.
This is a free for all.
Listen, it'd be so.
Pocket, protect me.
Oh my god. I need to. I'm fighting for my title here. I'm so sorry. Just watch me get dusted by Pocket. It'll be me versus Pocket. I will lose my FPS Queen badge.
Oh no! Oh my god! Will you protect me?
All right, you know what? I'm sorry.
It's gonna blow me away.
Listen, I'll blow you away later.
Yes.
Wait, we have to wait till everyone's here so we can do the final drink, the final sippy.
A lot of money.
All right.
It's a minute.
Grab one. Grab some ammo and come with us. Make sure the safety is on. It should start by default on.
Wait.
I'm starting. You let me know when we're about to start.
Sly has to restart.
Yeah.
Sly's restarting.
All right. So so any items we have are at your disposal. Knives, shovels, anything.
Okay.
You can heal on the ship, which is probably not going to happen. All right,
we have to do our final sippy before we.
Final sippy time. Final sippy time.
Final sippy.
Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Cheers.
Hold on.
Yeah, I'm taking a hit. Hold on.
I'm ready.
All right.
So we're gonna do a 10-second. At the end of the countdown, it's a 10-second head start, and then we can all scatter.
All right.
Okay.
Ready.
And then once those 10 seconds are up, everyone count on your own. The game starts.
But one Mississippi, two Mississippi.
Yeah,
Sure.
no bullshit.
God damn it.
Just count down for 10 seconds.
Oh, turbo gravy shit.
Go! I can't keep restarting the Doom music. Let's go, motherfucker. Let's go.
We're counting down as of now.
Go! Is that it from everybody? Oh,
shit.
Fuck. Good shit. Yeah, I looked the wrong fucking way. I looked the wrong fucking way.
Cheated.
You killed everyone.
Scared. I didn't know
Gina,
he'd
you killed
be.
everyone.
Yeah, you did kill everyone.
Shit.
What?
Hang on.
God
I'm
damn.
gonna get this for next time. Hang on. I'm gonna put these on the ship and then I'll...
Yeah, I was gonna turn that fucking way too, but I went against my gut and looked the other way, and that's what got
So
me.
they're saved for next time, so we have like a little...
Man, I totally would have had the
starter
jump on you
pack.
too.
Yeah, I know, and I was just like, I heard click, click, and I'm like, no, child.
Jesus Christ.
That's so crazy.
And by the way, I had Doom music going the whole time. The song ended right before I died.
Oh.
Around the maps in case...
That's what's
Okay, that's enough. We're good, we're
That's
good.
funny as hell.
Yeah, I knew that going down there was gonna be a one-way
Oh, that
ticket
was a little
somehow,
cheeky. That
though.
was cheeky. That was so cheeky. My bad.
It's okay.
Oh my
You killed all of us, Gina. That's so crazy.
Listen, I need to let. I need.
Good job, everybody.
I need it to be known.
Good job.
I need it to be known.
No.
I am the FPS queen of the group. I play probably the most FPS games of my whole group. So.
Yeah, you're MLG pro. We get it.
Maybe,
Good job, everybody. Good job.
You McDied though, Gina. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God! Hey.
Maybe you shouldn't have died. Then you.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you're right. And as I said to the guy, everybody in the thing, I was going to look your direction and completely like disregarded my gut. Like, no way, nobody's gonna be that cheap to wait at the top of the ladder. And that was fucking wrong.
I mean, I came from the edge of the map and I heard the ladder noise. What do you expect? Yeah, strategy. Quibi gets it.
Yeah.
Strategy.
Um.
Climb up the ladder sooner.
Anyway. Yeah, it was. I went down there and I was like, damn, dude, like, it's either there's gonna be multiple people down here or just one. So I wasn't sure who was alive still. I had killed like 5 fucking people at that point. I was like, how many people do we even have in the group? Am I done? I was gonna head back to the ship and actually check like the cameras to see if people were still alive. I had no fucking idea.
Radar said Gina's dummy thick in the cloth of those ass cheeks on the ladder.
Yeah,
rather
just
than Jeff's.
as they're going up and down the ladder, you know.
Yeah, maybe you shouldn't have been so fucking thick on the ladder. Then you wouldn't have fucking died.
Well, that's why I'm on a diet. Anyway,
Oh my goodness.
I don't know where you guys. I don't know where you guys are gonna like raid out to or go, but I'm gonna go back to playing Indiana Jones. Thank you for letting me join you guys for a while.
Thank you for
I'm glad I got back for this.
Oh, that was so fun. I had a great time.
That was the most fun I think I've had on stream in a long ass time. Personally,
But
that was really fun. I'm very thankful for you all. Thanks for
Of course.
joining me tonight.
Thank you for hosting.
Oh my god. As for these lethal streams, we're probably gonna be skipping next Saturday because I'm not gonna be in town. But after that, next weekend we'll be back.
Hell yeah.
Yippee.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a meme edit of that fucking. I'm gonna make a whole highlight of this shotgun fight. I'm gonna make memes.
Please.
Oh god. Anyway, I'm about to head out. Can I get a unison group? Ba-na-na-na, ba-na-na. Alright, everybody. I'm It belongs in a museum! Anyway, love you guys. Have a good night.
We are the champions, my friend.
What a good fucking group. That was a lot of fun. I knew the second I fucking went up there, I knew that someone was going to be at the top of the fucking ladder. Why did I not listen to my fucking gut? Oh my god. Anyway, we're going to get right back to, fucking, hey, that was amazing. That was fun. A lot of fun. I had more fun doing that than I was expecting.